So, grade 10s, here's one of your challenge, your today's challenge. You can see on the screen, we've got number patterns question. We're going to go through it. And for that, we're going to work for 10 marks, as you can see. So this is one of the challenge, but it's simple, trust me. We're going to just work on 3 questions. And the first one, as you can see, it's 2.1. What's important here is to look at the pattern nicely, spend some time, just few minutes, maybe say a minute or two. You check what is it that you are given, then you can work along. You can nail this one, trust me. So we are given that the following pattern is given, as you can see there, 7x squared, 5x squared minus 2x, then lastly 3x squared minus 4x, and so forth. So we need to show whether the pattern is a linear or not, and that should be easy. Trust me. Trust me. Okay. Here, let's take this one, the first one, which is 2.1. See how we're going to work it. Okay. Here's our 2.1. We're going to provide solutions for this one, okay? So what we basically need to know, we need to check whether we've got common difference or not. And to do so, we really need to check the difference, like so, using this formula as the difference equals to T2 minus T1, which this equals to T3 minus T2. So we understand that here we've got term number 1, we've got term number 2, we've got term number 3. So because we have this, now let's see. Let's check whether the T2 minus T1 will be equals to T3 minus T2. Let's check that. So T2, it's 5x squared minus T1, 5x squared minus 2x minus T1, that's 5x squared. Then T3, what is it? It's 3x squared minus 4x. Then you've got T2 as your 5x squared minus 2x. Let's check there. Okay, we're going to have 5x squared minus 2x minus 7x squared. Then there we're going to have 3x squared minus 4x minus 5x squared plus 2x. What's next? Let's see. We're going to have negative 2x squared 5 minus 7, 5x squared minus 7x squared. That will be negative 2x squared minus what? Minus 2x. And I can see that 3x squared minus 5x squared, that will also be minus 2x squared. Negative 4x plus 2x, that will also be a negative 2x. And as you can see, this, it's equals to that. Okay, so because of that, indeed, you've proven that the pattern is a linear. You've proven that the pattern is a linear, and that's for 4 marks for you to do that. Okay, 4 marks. Let's move on to the second question. Second question, okay. Here's our second question. Here's our second question. Okay, they say if x equals to 4, we need to determine the constant difference. If x equals to 4, we need to determine the constant difference. So we're going to work from where we left off here. We're going to work from there to say difference initially is negative 2x squared minus 2x, and from there we can substitute that negative 2 where there's x will replace by 4 minus 2 for there, and this will be negative 16. Wait, this is 16, negative 32 minus 8, and the answer will be negative 8. That's our common difference. The answer will be negative 8. And that's the second question. That's our second question. We just answered it nicely. Okay, let's move on to the last question. The last question there. Yeah. Here's our last question. Here's our last question. They say we need to determine the value of the 10th term. So for us to do so, we need to find the value of a and d. And the value of a, we can straight away go to the first term there in terms of first term in terms of x, which is this one, 7x squared. So we'll say 7x squared. We need to replace where there's x by 4, and that will be, you've got 16. Okay, where's our calculator? You've got 16, or 7 into 4 square. 16 times 7 is 112. All right, that is 112. 112. And remember that we calculated our common difference to be negative 8. So we'll go to this Tn equal to a plus into n minus 1 d. We replace that t of 10, where there's a, we replace by negative 8, and where there's n, we replace by 10 minus 1, and our difference there is, our a there is 1 1 2, and our difference there is negative 8. Okay, our a there is 112 and our difference is negative 8. Then we go and punch our calculator as we conclude that therefore T10 will be, take our calculator, we punch as 112 plus minus 1, and we also got negative 8, and the answer is 40. The answer is 40. The answer is 40, just like that. The answer is 40. So this is that. Okay, I believe, guys, you've enjoyed this lesson. You've enjoyed the video, that you saw what really transpired, and this was just a grade 10 question. May you please make sure you watch it with understanding, that if you happen not to understand thoroughly, get back to me for any clarification. I'll do so. I'll gladly do so. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share the video amongst your friends, so that they may also enjoy it with you. So for now, until we meet again, guys, love you, and I will do more of the questions so that you learn more. Okay, until we meet again next time. Bye.